Hello, welcome to iPadSoft channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 10 most amazing metrics tips you should use. I have watched many videos on this topic. I found some of them are really interesting and helpful and blew up my mind. However, I don't use many of them. I don't need many of them in my daily life. So I make this video to include the 10 tricks that I use the most in my daily life to improve my work efficiency on my Mac computer. I hope this video can help you better use your Mac and make your life easier. After watching this video, please comment below to tell me how cool they are and tell me which is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll be very happy.
The first few tricks are all about your command key. You have no idea how many things you can do with your command key. I believe that's why I have 2 command keys on my keyboard. Using command plus spacebar to invoke Spotlight search anytime for anything, your files, applications, or even browser. Using command plus H key to hide the current window. It is super useful when I have multiple windows open for use. I have so many files in recent folder and I have no idea what their original locations are. Then just select the file and press Command plus R to find its original location. It is very handy for me, especially when I want to delete some specific files. Just to name a few command tricks I use daily, you can find out more and use them if you can remember. Sometimes my computer can be stuck and my cursor is rotating forever. It happens so many times when I was editing a video and trying to open another app at the same time. Then I press Option plus Command plus Escape. Then I can select the app and force quit it without force quitting my computer. It's really a lifesaver. Works so good. The next trick for Mac running macOS Big Sur is the new menu center at the top. The feature called screen mirroring. You can use this feature on your iPhone and iPad too. This feature helps you share the screen through a projector or TV. You can watch the screen with bigger screen or share your computer screen with other people. I use it a lot for work when I need to do presentations. Setting up hard corners is another trick I like. You can set up 4 hard corners, but I only set up 1 because I can't remember 4. Go to Apple logo, System Preferences, Mission Control, Hard Corners. I set up the lower right corner to show desktop. Then every time I put the cursor there, the desktop will show up. I can check or open files on the desktop without shrinking all windows. How to record a screen and take a screenshot on Mac bother many people a lot. However, it is very easy. Just press Shift plus Command plus number 3. A screenshot of the whole screen will be taken. It will be saved to the desktop automatically. Then just press Shift plus Command plus number 4. Your cursor will become a cross and you can select where you want to take a screenshot. Also, you can press Shift plus Command plus number 5. Then there are a few options there for screenshot and you can record the screen too. Stop recording is at the top. Another trick is to split the screen. Sometimes I need to use 2 apps or 2 windows at the same time, especially for video editing or note taking. This trick works so well. You just need to click and hold down the green button at the top and select tile windows to the left or off screen or right. Another trick is about preview a file on Mac. You can select a file and use the spacebar to quick preview it without opening it. Another thing I like the best about the preview is what I can do with a PDF file and a picture. Click the pen icon and I can mark it, draw it, and even sign it. It is definitely a lifesaver when you need to edit or sign on PDF files without a PDF editing software. The last trick I use a lot is the zoom, especially when I need to show my screen with closer detail. Go to Apple logo, System Preferences, Accessibility, and tick the box to enable zoom. Then you can press Command and plus key or minus key to zoom in and out. The bonus trick is you can press F key to view the full screen of a YouTube video. Press Escape key to exit the full screen. Try it on this video.
That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be very happy if you can subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if the video is helpful. I will see you very soon.